On tour, there's so many things you have to control.
Oh, we have a visitor.
Cute.
Kitty. Let's see how this adventure plays out. Oh, found his way off the court quite easily.
Oh, going through the court.
Oh, we got the slow-mo. Look at this.
Highlight of the tournament or the match.
Oh, look who's back.
Oh, again.
Oh, cat doesn't look like he's coughing up a fur ball, perhaps. Second day in a row we've had a cat on the court. I suppose it's a good thing. It looked like the same cat from yesterday.
I think so.
Right now, that cat came from the tunnel. That's the player entrance tunnel. So that cat had to have been in there for a little while, navigating its way through the tunnel, you would think.